I've been lucky to have a really good run, and sort of the caps have just risen up, quite quickly. Before you know it, you sort of become one of the sort of senior guys, and more younger boys come up, and especially on this trip there's a lot of sort of new guys, and yeah, it does make you feel sort of you've been involved for a long time. And to go away to Holland, sort of 4 weeks after your last sort of game, it's a test, and I think that's as big a test as the actual game itself. You just need to make sure you turn up, do your best. We have got a really good chance of qualifying. We want to be, after 4 or 5 games, really in the mix, and sort of build on that momentum and get the people back home, in Wales behind us, and start filling stadiums, and really get everybody excited. But it's such a good chance. Hopefully over the next, however many years, we get to experience something that we haven't done for such a long time in this country and qualify, and that would mean more than caps or any sort of memories I've had previously.